The last time that I ran this car, previously known as the mechanical speed controlled monster, the mechanical speed controller went up in smoke. Unfortunately, that was the end of my series running a mechanical speed controller, but all it has in here is a Titan 12-turn brushed motor, a Kimbrough 72-tooth spur gear, and there's also a 41-tooth pinion gear in here. Previously, again, it was running mechanical speed controller. I took out the servo, mechanical speed controller, and the resistor, and now I just have this cheap 1060 ESC in here. And my goal is to see, is there a speed difference? I had a poll on my channel. Most people thought this would go about 1 to 2 miles an hour faster than the mechanical speed controller. We're gonna go ahead and test it today and find out. I'm really curious to see, was I giving up a lot of performance with the mechanical speed controller? Or is there really no difference between this and the amount of resistance that the mechanical speed controller runs? I'm not sure. The mechanical speed controller uses a resistor to bleed off extra energy at lower speeds, but at full speeds, when it's wide open, it could be fairly efficient. So we'll see how it goes, and stay tuned for it. All right, so I have the CNHL in here, 8,000 milliamp hour, 120C LIPO. The GPS is zeroed out and reading. Okay, let's see what it can do. Whoa, shoot, I went off the road in a bad way down there. Where's the GPS? Oh no, the shock popped off. The GPS is not in there. Here's the GPS, 42.6. So a little slower than last time out, although I'm not certain that was top speed. Well, let me see if I can get the suspension back together. The GPS is zeroed out again and reading. I have really limited time. My daughter's at a class right now, and I'm trying to do 2 videos. And I feel a little rushed here, and I didn't get a chance to go to my bigger speed run spot. All right, we'll do a couple quick speed runs here. One more. Come back around here. All right, I'm kind of getting a feel for it at least. All right, let's see what it did. .3, so slightly slower than last time, but very close, essentially the same. The ESC's warm, not hot. The motor, warm, not hot, but all right, so there we go. The speed's really unchanged. All right, guys, well, that's a little unfortunate. I burned up the electronic speed controller here. Totally my fault. What are you gonna do? But interestingly, the speed was almost identical to the last time out here. 43.3 miles an hour today. Last time out, it hit 43.6. So I would probably say that's within the speed difference from one run to another, and we'll call it pretty much identical. I'll go ahead and get a new speed controller for this. I'll get this thing back out here, and I'm gonna put some different gearing in here. These Kimbrough gears have worked great in this car, and not only this one, I've run them in my vintage low-C cars. They fit in there, and when I remove the slipper clutch, I got a slipper clutch delete in my Traxxas Bandit. These are the same gears I can run in there as well. These are the 48 pitch gears, which I like to use in lower power applications. But when running them in a car that produces a lot more power, like my Bandit, I prefer the 32 pitch gears. They're a lot stronger, the teeth are thicker, and there's also a slightly wider range of different gear ratio options you can choose, so I can gear the car a little taller than I've been able to with the 48 pitch gears. At any rate, that's all I have for now. This Traxxas Vortex, a lot of fun. The handling's still a little squirrely, but it seemed fairly stable today, and it'll be out here again soon. Stay tuned, guys, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.